Hey, this is Jason with ConveYour, and in this video, I'm going to go over the structure of the learner portal URLs and explain what's happening in the browser line. After that, I'm going to show you how you can dynamically send a learner directly to a page on their learner portal. So if you're looking to send reminders to your learners, this is important for you. So right now, I'm on new.conveyor.com, and we're in the learner portal. This is my domain, and you can see that with a portal URL. When we say subdomain, this is what we mean right here. It says new dot, that's a subdomain. So everything from here to the right is just referencing the learner portal. Now this ID right here is what we call the public ID. So this is an ID specific for the learner, and it's a hash. It's virtually impossible to guess. And these IDs are not enumerated, which means that somebody can't add a 1 to the end, or add a 2, add a 3, and so on to go to the next record. So again, it's not guessable, and that's by design. Then we have this route here that's taking us to the course, and beyond that, it takes us to the lesson. So this URL refers to this course. Now, if I wanted to, I could go to the course homepage, and you'll see that the page changes to course. This is the course ID or the campaign ID. They're the same thing in ConveYour. Let's click on the introduction, which will take me back into the lesson. So let's say I wanted to get a learner directly to this page. To do this, I can take this URL and go over to the conversations and drop it right here. We'll change the public ID to be a dynamic value. So we're going to delete that, and we're going to type 2 brackets. Now, Stephen Ryan, our founder, he calls these mustachy brackets. Now we're going to replace that ID with a placeholder. So similar to like what you can do with placeholders for first name, email, and other information in ConveYour, you can add PID. That stands for public ID. This is going to be replaced with the personal ID of every single learner that you're sending this to. If you just want to send them directly to their portal, you could also type URL inside the double curly brackets. And I'm doing it this way that I've showed you with a long URL to be more precise about it. So if you send this out either in an SMS trigger or in a campaign, this will deep link them directly to that piece of content. Now keep in mind that depending on the link you send them, they may not have access to that material. So when you're deep linking, be sure that you're going that the learner is going to be able to get to that content. Again, this is commonly used for reminders when you want to notify somebody about a specific lesson or something new that's coming out. Now, when you send this line here, it will get shortened with our abbreviated link URL tool. We do that intentionally because these URLs are really long. However, once your learner clicks the link, it expands out to be their specific URL. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@conveyor.com. And once again, I'm Jason Kelski. Until next time, happy training.